Hey guys, welcome to another recipe. Today we're going to be making pigs in a blanket. Just simple, 2-ingredient pigs in a blanket, very easy. Our first ingredient we're going to need are some canned crescent rolls. I went ahead and grabbed 2 cans. Second ingredient, beef little smokies. Now you can use any sort of little sausage like this. These ones are pretty neutral taste. You're going to go ahead and preheat your oven to 375 degrees, just like the canned crescents say. If yours says different, just go ahead and follow those directions. You don't want to burn your crescent rolls. So we'll go ahead and open up the sausages. Now you're going to open up your canned crescent rolls. People get scared of opening these, but it's really not that difficult. So go ahead and peel away the first paper part. Do not throw this away. I'm going to stress do not throw this away because I always throw it away and then I have to dig in the trash for it again. So you're going to find the seam and just bang it against your wrist and it'll pop open. Super easy like that. Now I am going to unroll my crescent dough onto a little cutting mat. So unroll it as pretty as you can, just so you can see it. There's 2 different ways that you can actually cut these. I'm going to show you both ways. This first way, you're just going to follow along all of the cuts that the crescent dough gives you. And then you're going to cut those in half. So this will turn from 8 pieces to 16 pieces. And let me show you how I roll them. Okay, I'll go ahead and use this one. Let's start with the first one. You're going to put the sausage at the end, the flat end of the triangle, and just roll it up like you would a croissant. They're so cute. And I'm just going to do that with the rest of the dough. This is a perfect recipe if you have guests coming in, or if you need something super simple to make in the morning, if your family is really hungry on the weekends. 2 ingredients, very easy to make, and you can make a lot of them at one time. I love this recipe. There we go. All right, so I'm going to open up my second can and show you the second way that you can cut these open. It's going to be a little weird because I already have some pigs in a blanket waiting on the other half. So I'm going to flatten this out and then cut down the center like I did the other one. But this one's going to be a little different. Let me go ahead and fix this so that it's not so difficult. This is where I differ. I'm going to go ahead and cut it down the middle. And then I'm going to cut each of these in half. And then I will cut those quarters into thirds. So this will turn into 24 pieces. If you have more sausages than you thought you were going to be using, this may help you out. I'm going to go ahead and grab one of these strips and kind of stretch it out, and then take my sausage and roll it up. These don't look quite as cute as the crescent roll versions, but they actually stretch out your dough a little bit more, so it's really handy to be able to do this. One thing that I love about doing my dough this way is if you do this with hot dogs around Halloween time, you can make little mummies and it's really cute. Which way do you prefer? I had such a large package of these little smokies. It was actually the only package available at the store, so kind of glad I could make so many of these. And look at how many pigs in a blanket this makes. So go ahead and stick these on your pan. They don't have to be too far apart. I think I did mine about 1 inch apart. But I was able to fit all of them, which I'm very proud of doing. Beautiful. They're so cute. So this is where you take your paper that you saved before, hopefully, and follow the baking instructions. This one says 9 to 12 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and take my tray, stick it in my preheated oven. I think I chose 10 minutes and then I ended up adding 1 or 2 minutes to mine. While it's baking, I can get my little trivet. And once your timer is done and they are golden brown, take them out of the oven. And look at them! I love them all. I want to eat them all. And they're crispy, nice and golden brown. Now this is my way to serve them. I take a bowl and I stick a towel on the inside to kind of keep the moisture a little at bay. And then you go ahead and scrape them off of your tray. Sometimes they go wherever they want to go, but I'm going to put them into my bowl. Just like that. Beautiful. They're nice and presented. Now, if you're taking these somewhere, it's really handy to have this towel because all you have to do is take the ends and just fold them over and they will be nice and warm as you travel to wherever you're going. But since we're not really traveling during this time, let's go ahead and just open that back up. They're very cute. And I also love this towel. All right, so let's do a taste test. This is what it looks like from the front. This is one of the first ones, so the crescent roll shaped one. And when you bite into it, the sausage is all cooked. You can take a sip of coffee and steal another one. Thank you so much for watching this video on the super simple 2-ingredient pigs in a blanket. If you enjoyed it, please like this video, comment on what you would like me to make next, and I will see you next time. Bye!